friends, I welcome you all on my channel, The Opinion Platform. Today, a small clip of the speech of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is viral on social media platforms. In this viral clip, Prime Minister Narendra Modi can be heard speaking about the Congress Manifesto. After the release of Congress Manifesto, it is expected that BJP has got tough election in general election 2024. The day ECI released the voting dates, opposition leaders had said from different corners of the country that the situation of BJP is very bad. It is proven after the release of the ECI voting dates, because for the first time in India, such a long schedule has been prepared by the Election Commission of India. Previously, Election Commission of India was successful to conduct Lok Sabha elections in the shortest span of time, and even then BJP secured victory and other parties secured victory. But after the BJP's 10 years of rule under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, BJP is not confident, Prime Minister Modi is not confident. That is why ECI, Election Commission of India, as the charges have been leveled by different opposition leaders and parties against the ECI, that the schedule has been prepared at the whims and fancies of the BJP, at the instructions of the RSS, because the performance of a decade, performance of 2 tenures under the leadership of Prime Minister is miserable. All opposition leaders have said clearly about the Lok Sabha election of 2024 that this time the election will strictly happen on the questions of the common people. In fact, there have been so many clips viral in which the Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav, Akhilesh Yadav, Stalin and all leaders are heard saying that Prime Minister Modi has failed to fulfill the promises done to the people during previous election campaigns. In fact, the leader Behenji Mayawati, Supremo Mayawati, BSP Supremo Mayawati, was said to work hand in gloves with the BJP. But Akash Anand, after being designated the leader of BSP by Mayawati, BSP has come forward to oppose BJP tooth and nail in UP elections, resulting to which BJP has to take help of the old tricks, and opposition leaders have said that it is the result of the old tricks. What is the old trick? The old trick of the BJP has been to deliver venomous speeches, hateful speeches, speeches which have the strength to flare up the communal frenzies, communal riots. This is a small clip about which I am speaking here of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which has been released from the Rajasthan's one of the speeches of Narendra Modi has been understood in the same context. All opposition leaders have expected after the first phase voting on 19th April, since BJP is going to lose, there has not been much support of the common people towards BJP. All opposition leaders have expected that now BJP might begin to resort to same techniques where hateful speeches will start being given. But nobody had expected that not the small leaders of BJP and RSS, but the Prime Minister himself will start doing this. Prime Minister Narendra Modi seems desperate in this speech, where he is clearly trying to threaten the women. And Prime Minister Modi has said that days are not far. If Congress wins the general election of 2024, women will have to give even their Mangal Sutra. This kind of language has not been received by opposition leaders in good taste. All opposition leaders have countered strongly. In fact, this small clip is viral, but the opposition leaders have clearly said that no matter how desperate Prime Minister Narendra Modi becomes to win the election of Lok Sabha 2024, but the election 2024 will be fought in all situations at all costs only on the questions of the masses, only on the questions of the youth, only on the questions of the women's security, only on the question of farmers' rights. If you like my channel, subscribe it, like it, and share it. For further analysis, keep watching it. Thank you very much.